Welcome to JackJackPlays! I got the dirt. I got the bottom piece. I got the bottom piece. Don't scoop the jar because it's a good machine. Okay. I got the bottom piece. Got the bottom pieces. I got the bottom. Station. Stop it. That's a first step. I should scoop it with the accelerator. That's what this one does. Oh. Okay. I take the
This is complicated. Like complicated Play-Doh.
What happened to my kitty?
Guess its head fell off.
Aww.
Was that a kitty?
Yeah.
Can we see its eyes?
Because it broke. Here, give me it. Here's the kitty. Meow, meow.
I'm gonna need
A special truck for this. Oh, that's
rubble on the double.
Not rubble on the double.
I'm clearing a path for you.
Is it a log cutter?
I don't know.
Is it a log cutter?
I sure don't know, Jack.
Look, alarm fire says that's done. Uh-oh. That fire's going up the chimney fire. Tough
Or no? No. Okay, guys, no.
I need a house. I need a house.
Oh, good one for you.
Now the truck is full.
Not quite. We gotta get everything in. Where's it gonna go? The dump?
Yeah, the dump over there at this dump. Let's ask you the next tire. I'll show us the tire.
Look at that fire.
Look, it's opening its present.
It's opening a present?
Yeah, it's opening its own present. Is it eating that?
That's because we have a fake log and a wrapper.
Dump it out.
huh?
Now let's push it with the dozer. Thanks for watching JackJackPlays.
See you later.
See you later. Tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. And